In this video I will show you how can you enable your profile guard option. You can see here, if you enable your profile guard, anyone can see your profile picture. The guard helps keep your current picture, profile picture protected. So if you enable your profile guard, then someone will cannot stole your profile picture from your Facebook. They cannot take an screenshot of your profile picture. So in this video I will show the process how can you turn on the profile guard option. So for that reason you have to simply come here on Facebook. After that you have to go your Facebook profile. You can see here I am on my Facebook profile. After come here Facebook profile, you have to simply click on your Facebook profile. You can see here I have clicked here on my Facebook profile. Then you can see here turn on profile picture guard. You have to simply click here, and then you have to simply click here next, and then you have to simply click here save. You can see here save option. After clicking save, you can see here your profile guard option have been enabled by Facebook. So that's how you can enable your profile guard option to save your profile picture. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.